Hi, this is Hamza Ali from Bizistech. Today I am going to differentiate between two Amazon business models, private label and dropshipping. So let's start the topic. There are six major Amazon business models that are used by the third party sellers to offer things and generate revenue. Some business models are more popular than others, and there is no good or bad business model. There are six major Amazon business models that are used by the third party seller to offer things and generate revenue. Some business models are more popular than others, and there is no good or bad business model to do business with Amazon. According to the survey, Amazon business model break down to the following percentage. The most popular business model is private label with the 67%. Then wholesale 26%, retail arbitrage 19%, online arbitrage 17%, dropshipping 9%, and homemade 6%. Note, some sellers sell in more than one business model, so that's why there is an overlap percentage. So let's see what is private label. Private label is comprised of purchasing things from third party vendors or manufacturing on your own and attaching brand name and logo on them and making them as your own. Amazon also has its own private label items such as Amazon Essentials and Amazon Basics. The categories in which private label sellers sells are home and kitchen 40%, sports and outdoor 21%, health, household and baby 15%, beauty and personal care category 15%, and kitchen and dining category 14%. Note, some sellers sell in more than one category, hence there is an overlap of percentage. Advantages of private label are you have more option of supplier to manufacture your product with the finest quality or manufacture it by own. You have control over the profit margin as you are manufacturing the product on your own or getting by the best supplier. You have control over the profit margin as you are manufacturing the product on your own or getting by the best suppliers. You can control the branding of the product you are selling. You can develop the product if product needs improvement. In private label, you can control the look and feel of the packaging. Now let's see the disadvantages of the private label. You will have a more challenging time establishing customer loyalty. In private label, developing your own branded packaging does cost money. Take a lot of time to see the private label selling results. For private label, you need experience in online selling to become successful. Now move towards the dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model in which an Amazon seller does not maintain their own product inventory, but instead send the order to the supplier, who then dropship it to the customer on your behalf. Dropshipping frees you from the worry and inconvenience that comes with maintaining inventory, packaging, and delivering orders. Most common categories for dropshipping are home and kitchen 50%, sports and outdoor 35%, kitchen and dining 32%, tools and home improvement category 32%, and garden and outdoor category 31%. Note, some sellers sell in more than one category, so there is an overlap of percentage. Now let's see the advantages of the dropshipping. Dropshipping requires smaller initial investment for taking the start. A dropshipping business may be started by anybody. All you need to do is select the right product and a reliable supplier. Supplier handles most of the work for you, so you have to do less work. Your most important task is simply to keep track of your sales. In dropshipping, you do not have the headache of packaging and delivering the products to the customers. Disadvantages of dropshipping are there is a low profit margin in dropshipping because you are buying in smaller number, so you have to pay more to buy each product. In dropshipping, you are fully dependent on your supplier to maintain your things in stock because you do not store your own inventory. In last, I say that Amazon private label is a long-term investment. Slow and steady make the profit, and if you want to make your own brand, and want to grow in the market, then you should have to select the private label. And on the other hand, dropshipping is a short-term profitable strategy if it done right. This is all from my side. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.